Hi, I'm Janine Jackson from the Hill and Harbor Real Estate Group, and I would like to show you our newest listing. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath condo with over 1,300 square feet located in beautiful Coal Harbour. This unit includes 2 balconies with different exposures, as well as a slight water view off the living room. I hope you enjoy the tour. Located in the Lord Roberts Annex and King George Secondary School catchment, and 1 block from the new elementary school being built at Coal Harbour Community Centre. A short walk away from Vancouver's landmarks like the Seawall, Coal Harbour Marina, and famous Stanley Park, and minutes from the Robson Street Shopping District.